Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So most people get this math question wrong. Why? Because they solve it 10 minus 10 as 0 and 10 minus 10 as 0 and 0 times 0 as 0, which is the incorrect answer and incorrect approach. Yes, you had it right. Because when multiple operations given, that is subtraction, multiplication, then again subtraction, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first you have to solve the bracket, then off, then division and multiplication both have same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction. But just remember that you have to solve it from left to right. So there is an multiplication sign in between 10 and 10 because subtraction and multiplication we have to give priority to multiplication. So 10 times 10 is 100. So 10 minus 100 minus 10. Now there is a single sign that is subtraction throughout the expression. So we will solve it from left to right. So 10 minus 100 is minus 90 minus 10 and minus minus is plus. So it's negative 100. So what is the correct answer? Negative 100, not 0. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.